Hi friends, in this video I am going to convey you and discuss the external features of the leaf, cross or transverse section of the leaf, and the basic information about stomata. We know that plants perform photosynthesis, the most important life process. This basic important life process, photosynthesis, is done in the plants, especially by the leaves, because leaves are green in color. Presence of chloroplasts in the leaves. These chloroplasts contain chlorophyll pigments. They trap solar energy. We know that we learned in lower classes. Here, if we come to understand the external features of the leaf, I mean parts of the leaf and internal tissues of the leaf. What are the tissues present in the leaf and the importance of stomata make us to clearly understand how do plants survive, how do plants perform photosynthesis without any interruption. Now let us see one by one. Let us see the picture of external features of leaf. Now the base of the leaf has a stalk which is called petiole. The length of the petiole is different in different plants, and the leaf margin, and the surface of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. So middle of the leaf with the skeletal structure called midrib. Midrib is divided into many veins and they are spread all over the leaf lamina. And the tip of the leaf is called leaf tip. So this picture tells us all the parts which are present on the external surface of the leaf. Okay, if we have a primary idea on it, we can understand internal structures also. Now let us see the cut portion of the leaf. So this is the leaf cut portion, half of the leaf. It shows naturally lamina or leaf blade and side veins, middle midrib. And we know that midrib contains vascular bundles, Xylem and Phloem. So this cut portion can be magnified under microscope. When it is magnified under microscope, when we see under microscope, so one part of the cut portion of the leaf tells us these are this picture, upper and lower epidermis, waxy cuticle, and elongated cells on towards the upper epidermis. They contain chloroplast, air spaces above the lower epidermis with stomatal openings. All are present. This is the simple picture of a cross section of the leaf. And let us find one more picture that is taken from midrib region of the leaf. Let us see the picture. So many parts are there. Midrib region that contains vascular bundles. The transverse section of the leaf is divided into 5 regions or areas. The first one is epidermis. It is like a skin of the leaf. Upper epidermis is located on the upper surface of the leaf. Lower epidermis is located in lower surface. A waxy cuticle is present on the epidermal layers. It helps the leaf in preventing water loss from the plants. And the second part is palisade mesophyll layer. Below the upper epidermis, there is parenchyma tissue, which is called palisade mesophyll tissue. Here, meso means middle, phyll means leaf. So this picture tells us all the parts of the transverse section of the leaf, from cuticle on the epidermis and lower stomata. And let us find the importance of mesophyll. The mesophyll tissue is tightly packed, elongated, palisade parenchyma cells. These cells have chloroplasts abundantly. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll pigments. Naturally, upper surface of the leaf is always exposed to sunlight. Moreover, palisade mesophyll tissue is located below the upper epidermis. Since the palisade mesophyll tissue has more number of chloroplasts with chlorophyll pigments, the upper surface facilitates more photosynthetic activity. Okay, next one, vascular bundles. The midrib region of leaf consists of complex tissue. This tissue consists of xylem and phloem. Xylem conducts transportation of water and minerals. Phloem conducts transportation of food that is synthesized in the leaf. And the next part, spongy mesophyll layer. It is located below the upper palisade mesophyll tissue. The cells in this area have irregularly shaped and loosely arranged cells. These cells have less number of chloroplasts. Air spaces are present in this area. These air spaces are interconnected and lead to open outside of the leaf through stomatal pores. This spongy mesophyll layer has gaps to receive the air that enters through the stomatal openings. Stomata, most of the stomata are located on the lower surface, lower epidermal region of the leaf. The last important part, lower epidermis. The lower epidermis of the leaf has more number of stomata compared to upper surface. Each stomata has pair of guard cells. These guard cells for stomatal form stomatal pore. The leaves of dicot plants have more number of stomata on their lower surface compared to upper surface. Whereas in monocots, the leaves of having equal number of stomatal openings on either side of the surface. Now let us find the structure of stomata. It has a pair of guard cells with vacuole and a stomata opening and a chloroplast as we find here. Okay. We have seen all the details of the leaf, external features, internal structure, cross section or transverse section, and basic information about stomata. Now let us question ourselves and make some questions and answers on this video. Okay, let us learn some of the questions. So some of the questions. First question, mention the parts of transverse section of leaf you have seen in the picture. Answer is upper epidermis, lower epidermis, cuticle, palisade mesophyll tissue, vascular bundles, spongy mesophyll tissue, air spaces, stomata, etc. So we just mentioned the parts for this question. And second question, what is the importance of cuticle of leaf? A waxy cuticle is present on the epidermal layers of the leaf. It is like a skin of the leaf. It helps the plant in preventing from water loss. Cuticle present on the epidermis of the leaf surface. Next question. What are the vascular bundles? Where are they located? Mention the functions of vascular bundles. Xylem and phloem are called vascular bundles. They are located in the midrib and veins of the leaf. Xylem conducts transportation of water and minerals. Phloem conducts transportation of food that is synthesized in the leaf. These are the three sample questions. We can frame many more on our own.